Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be taking you step by step through one of my colour pencil drawings, this drawing of a strawberry and mouth. If you like my videos and are not subscribed, then I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. With each video I aim to help people learn how to draw and improve their drawing skills. If you stay till the end of the video, I will show you how you can receive my free drawing resource guide that contains even more useful info. I love to break down the drawing process into small manageable stages, breaking down what I am seeing, then drawing it in easy to follow stages. This is why I love to use the underpainting technique using complementary colours. The book Masterful Color Vibrant Colour Pencil Paintings Layer by Layer by ArleneSteinberg has really helped me to understand this process, especially with what colours to use, as it is not as straightforward as using complementary colours due to colour pencils' unique qualities. As always, I shall leave links to everything that I am using below, as well as a link to the reference image. I have already outlined the drawing. I have made other videos where I explain how I use the hand follows the eye technique and negative space to make sure the outline is as accurate as possible. Also in my free drawing resource guide, which is linked below, there are a number of tools which I use to help me draw out an accurate and precise outline. I am using Prismacolor colour pencils. I find that their waxy blend is perfect for the texture of the strawberry. So to begin, I start by drawing in the leaves. As they are green, I am using a red colour pencil, which is green's complementary colour. Complementary colours are colours which are opposite each other on the colour wheel. They will also contain all three of the primary colours. If you would like me to make a video about this going into more detail, then let me know in the comments below. This stage is about putting in the values. I could have just used different shades of green or used a black coloured pencil, however I find this leaves the drawing looking flat and can alter the colours in ways that are not desirable. I then use green, which is red's complementary colour, to put in the tones of the mouth and the flesh of the strawberry, which will both be later coloured red. To help with building up the tones, try squinting your eyes. It helps to reduce the visual information into basic shapes and makes it easier to draw in. I then use a darker green for some of the darker red tones, as I could not get a darker tone using the lightest green. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. If you are, then I would really appreciate it if you could please like and subscribe. Also, if there is anything else you would like me to draw using the complementary colour painting technique, then please let me know below. Thanks. I then start to put in the colour tones in the leaves using the dark green colour pencil. I just need to use one colour pencil, as the red underpainting has already put in the values. Using a red colour pencil, I colour the flesh of the strawberry. This stage is about looking at colours rather than values. I can see there is also some yellow, so I will also add this as well. I colour in each section separately, working my way around. I use the red colour pencil for the tongue and fade it into the back of the mouth. For the back of the mouth and really dark areas, it is tempting to use a black colour pencil. However, I find this leaves the drawing looking flat and lifeless. What I prefer to do is to mix all the primary colours together to create an almost black tone. The way I do this is to mix the primary colours in almost equal values. So to the red I would add a blue and then yellow. I would then look at the colour and see which is most visible and choose the complementary colour to cancel it out. This is also how I would shade the teeth. Again, if you are interested in learning colour theory, I can make some videos about this. Just please let me know in the comments below. Then using the red colour pencil, I put in the colour of the lips. The last and final stage, which is my favourite as it brings it all together, is the burnishing stage. I use a Colourless Blender to go over all the colours. The wax of the pencil pushes the colour pigment into the paper to help give a realistic smooth texture. As I draw, I continually look at my drawing and the reference image, evaluating the colours and seeing what colours need to be added. I find with drawing, it is all about training your eyes to see. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are looking for more helpful drawing advice and tips, then sign up to my free drawing resource guide, which contains all the materials and helpful resources I use in my own drawings. The link is in the description below. If you did enjoy this video and found it useful, then I would appreciate it if you could please like, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I next post a video. If you are looking for more ways to improve your drawing skills, then be sure to check out this video next. Thank you for watching.